What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is TaeMeshon, and today I'll be showing y'all how I use leggings to make head wraps. Yep, head wraps. Now, I don't know if anybody else has ever done this. I haven't searched to see if anybody has ever done it. I just said, you know what? I'm going to just do a video, and if somebody else already did it, then they just did it. But I think if I would have researched and see if anybody else did it, then I wouldn't have wanted to do it. I wouldn't have. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all how I use leggings to make head wraps. And I came up with this idea because I was short on my head wraps, and I had wore all of them, and I was like, I don't want to go buy none. So, you know, I was just looking in my closet, looking for things to wrap up on my head. I didn't use the cardigan before as a head wrap. I have used a t-shirt, a white t-shirt as a head wrap, a gray t-shirt as a head wrap, and recently I have discovered leggings work just as well. So I have a bunch of leggings, and I will be using them to show y'all how I do this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And I have my bonnet on, you know, because my head is looking kind of ratchet under here. I have a month-old sewing in my head that I need to take out. I don't want to take it out by myself. My husband said he's going to help me take it out, so I just have to catch him so he can do it. Because, honey, I can't see it in the back. Like, I'm scared I'm going to cut my hair. I'm scared he going to cut my hair. I don't know, honey. I may not have no hair once I take this out. But yeah, I think this is a neat, you know, DIY that you can do, because I mean, you can easily find a pair of leggings, and it's not always easy for girls to find head wraps that they like, but it's some leggings out there that I would not wear as leggings, but I will wrap them on my head just because of the design. It's just too much for legs for me, but I think it's perfect for a head scarf, you know, a head wrap. So why not do that? A pair of leggings. You can get a pair of leggings, honey, and you can do this because it is very easy and very simple. And I am here to show you how. Alright, but for real, let's go ahead and get started so I can show y'all how I do this. Yes, honey. It don't look that bad, though. It don't. Oh, well. Alright, so first thing you want to do is, if your hair is out, go ahead and put it in a ponytail. Like so. And I like to use something to make my base look a little bulky because I don't want it super flat. So I use this, and I believe I got this maybe from the hair store. I don't know what they call. I think it's called kufi. That's what my husband called it. I don't know. Is it called that? I don't know, but kufi. We're going to call it a kufi since that's what he tell me. So what I do is take this, put this on my head. I don't even know why I put makeup on my forehead because it's going to mess up. Alright, so first we're going to take one pair of leggings and we are going to ball it up into a ball. So take it and roll it up into a ball. Like so. And what I do is take it and I put it directly right here under this. Okay, so after that, take my pair of leggings, another pair of leggings, and it doesn't matter what side you put them on, the tag to the back, tag to the front, it really doesn't matter. The back, and pull the front like this. So now that they are on your head like this. Like so. Make sure you pull it down far enough, because once you wrap it and stuff, it's going to become tight anyways. Alright, so now what I do is just crisscross them at the top. Alright, and crisscross them in the back. Crisscross them back again. Well, no, don't crisscross when you come back. Tie it, or you can crisscross if you want to, whatever works best for you. But this is what I do. I tie it. And then I take it to the back and I tuck it underneath that excess stuff. Like this, and just tuck it. Pull it down. And it's not tight at all, because I know sometimes you can put these things too tight on your head and Honey, it be hurting. Alright, so now you see how the front is loose right here? What I like to do with that is just tuck it. Just tuck it. And that way it's not tight at all, y'all. It's like, it's perfect. It's a perfect fit. And if you want to do your edges, you know, get your little toothbrush, your little gel, you know, your little edge control. Do those baby hairs up there. Yes. I would have did my baby hairs, but I ain't got time for all that tonight. Alright, so this is way number 1 on how I use leggings as a hair wrap. Alright, so way number 2, you can do it like this also. Alright, so let me put this back on. Alright, so take another pair of leggings. Put it on the same way you put them on the first time. Alright, so this time I'm not separating them. Just keep them together. Just squeeze it all. Basically, that's what you're doing. Squeezing it all at the front and twisting it. Alright, so once we get over here, it's kind of difficult to take both of them and tuck them. So I like to just take them one at a time and tuck it. It's just easier that way. Alright, so now I'll just take your little kufi or whatever that you have under your leggings to give it a little volume. Just tuck it. And voila. Now you have, you know, the classic knot. And with this side also, you can do your edges also, you know. I'm just not doing that today. But you can pull your little baby hairs out. Well, your edges to make baby hairs. Alright, so this is way number 2. Alright, so this is also another way that you can wear your leggings. Alright, so your leggings that was balled up, go ahead and ball them back up if you unballed them. And put it at the back here, like right there. Y'all see how I got that right there? Alright. Alright, so this way is kind of different. So instead of having your legs at the front of your head, we're going to have them at the back. So let me show y'all. So go ahead and take the legs. Let me turn around for this. Alright, so go ahead and take your legs and start from underneath. Wrap it and then wrap it on top. And take it on the bottom again. And right here, I like to, well, no, I'll do it up here. Okay, so up here, this is where I like to tie it and then just tuck it. This is way number 3. Alright, so now we're just going to take this off. Take the leggings out of it and just put it back on. We're going to take another pair of leggings. Yes, we have another pair. Yeah. So, okay, so your legs is automatically at the front when you put them on, but just throw them things to the back. Throw the thing to the back. Hey, throw that thing. So what I'm doing is taking everything, I'm bringing it to my right side. I'm balding it up to my right side. And I am twisting that. Now, instead of tucking both of them at the same time, I'm just tucking one at a time because, you know, it's kind of difficult to do both of them at once. So I just tucked the first one and now I'm tucking the other one. And you can also put this little knot to the back of your head, to the middle. You know, it doesn't have to be on the side, just however you like it. So that is another way that you can do these leggings. Alright y'all, so this is my last and final way that you can wear your leggings. And it is step number 5. Alright, so go ahead and put your leggings on with the legs to the front. Like so. And go ahead and cross them. And also give it like a little twist motion. And once I get up here, tie it again and just tuck it. Alright, so in the back I like to pull it down some because mine slipped up a little bit. Alright, and this is look number 5. Alright, so that is my ways that I wear my leggings on my head as a head wrap. So if I come up with any other ideas of any ways, then I will definitely let you guys know. And thank y'all for watching my video today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this DIY of head wraps. Well, leggings as hair wraps. But until next time, y'all stay blessed and